Hi, I'm Teia Golden with Windermere, and today we're going to tour a 33-acre parcel off of Last Chance Road, located in Meadows, Idaho. This lot provides a level building site with views of Brundage Ski Resort. It has an estimated of 435 feet of Goose Creek frontage. There is geothermal activity on the property, but no developed springs. The lot has been approved for septic, and the best source of power would be solar. The property is surrounded by BLM and forest land, providing access to the Payette National Forest. This land has been recently surveyed and would make a great off-the-grid property. Thanks for touring this New Meadows property. This property is really one of a kind. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call for more information.